Watch this. Hey Betty, you know what this is? Let me see. Yeah, I know what this is. This is one of those bird colors. I had one as a kid. You turn it, and it chirps like a bird. But this one, mine was red, and it made a sound. I think this one needs some resin. This is the door pin that goes on the bottom of the closet door to keep it in the track. Oh, okay. Cool. Can you fix it? Help me get that door over here on the counter. I got it. Yeah, just set it on the counter. There you go. That's good. So this is the hole that it needs to go in. This is if the door was the one that's already hanging up, and this is the one that it's fallen out of. And if you could see how big it is, so this just doesn't stay in anymore. So we're gonna have to find something to put in there to keep that from falling out. I got just the thing. Duct tape. Well, actually that might work. So what we need to do is, since the tape is wider than the pin, we'll need to tear it so that it will fit without having any that is farther in the back than the pin, so it won't clog up the hole and make the pin not go in all the way. That looks about right. So we'll just wrap the tape around the pin to give it a thicker shaft so it will fit in the hole more snugly. There we go. That'll be all right. That looks about right. And now this twist, so you can adjust to see how much room you need once you put it in there. So I think that looks about right to me. Now let's get this door back on and see if it works right now. Here's a ladder for you. Oh, thank you. All right, much better now. Thanks for watching. And remember, if we can do it, so can you. Bye-bye.